Now, we don't get saved or justified by the law, but we want to find out about the law because we want to please our Lord. We have this new nature born on the inside, and this nature that's born after the likeness of its creator, Christ, and it's conformed to this image of Christ, and which is what we were created for in the first place. We were originally created image bearers of God. It's been said that a petal on the ground, you can still pick up the rose petal and smell it and feel it and look at it and know what it used to be. God still looks at us and says, and He's reminded of what the holy, dignified creatures that we were originally created to be. Some will say, well, if God knew that man was going to fall, why did He do it? Why did He continue? Why did He create us? And I'll tell you, it's in Ephesians. The answer is in Ephesians. It's because God has a position for us higher than that of the angels. He adopts us into the family of God. Back in the day, the Romans, when they adopted somebody, that person was legally a new person